Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to make a tic-tac-toe game in Scratch. So we won't need this cat, so let's delete it. We'll go in Paint, and let's make a circle. Let's get the color red. We'll make it like this. Now let's rotate it. Drag it here, center it. Now let's right click. Let's go here. Let's copy and let's paste. Okay, now let's rotate this, center this again, and let's find the fill button and fill it with the color red. Okay, now we'll go and make an O. For the O, let's make this color blue, and now we will go and fill it. Let's go make a circle. Let's center it. Turn this to the color, no, wait, no. Yeah, now let's make another circle and wait, and I'll center this too. And now let's fill this with the color blue. Wait, let me just get this thing. Okay, now let's make these size 40. Okay, now let me make a board. Wait, let me straighten the board. Okay. Okay, now we made our board. Let's make this 0 and 0. Okay, there we go. Now let me name this X and name this O. Okay, let's get started with the code. Let's make a variable called X/O. Okay? Now let's go and drag when flag clicked, broadcast. Let's make a new message called X. Okay, now that we did X, let's go and do another one. When I receive X, set this variable, set the X/O variable to X. Okay, and then let's do a when flag clicked. When flag clicked forever, and then we'll drag the hide block, and then let's drag these two blocks, the OR block and the 50 block, and then we'll do that. And then let's make this X. Let's drag an if statement block. If then let's make okay, so Now we'll drag this block in here. Wait, let's drag in and block too. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. If x and x slash o equals x. And let's try to put this in. And then let's drag the mouse down block. Yeah, let's go in sensing. And then drag this in here. Then we will create a clone. Okay. And then let's drag when I start as a clone. Show. And then we'll drag the go to block. Let's drag a go to mouse. Oh yeah, I was up here. Let's drag the go to random position and change this to mouse pointer. Go to mouse pointer. Wait, let's go here. Wait for 1 second, I guess. And then broadcast. Oh, we'll drag the broadcast block. And there. Now let's drag all this code for the O. Okay, now let's drag all this here. And turn all this into O. And let's turn this into X. Okay, now let's test our game. And before we go, let's uncheck this. Okay, now X starts. So my trick is to go in the corner, and then if he doesn't go in the center, just block him in the corner. You just go in the corner and he'll block you. And you might go here, and then whatever move he does, you got him. Let me show you another way. Maybe if he does X and this guy is O, then if you X him here and he O's you, and then you turn it into X, O, and then X, O, X, then the game's a draw again. But you have to you have to stop and click again. You just have to click the flag again. So yeah. I'll tell you one more way. If he does X and O, then you do X, and then he does O, then you do X, and then he does O, do X, O, and X. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson, and I'll see you next time.